Hi, it's Terry at Renegade Recruiter. When I set up my own search business, I made the mistake of thinking that being the best recruiter would always win business. In fact, I thought because I offered a better service than I considered most of my competitors, winning business would be easy. I was dead wrong, and I had to find out the hard way. But I still see recruitment search business owners today making the same mistake. They think that being the best at what they do gives them a competitive advantage when it comes to attracting new clients. But being the best recruiter counts for nothing, no matter how much you scream from them and shout from the top of the rooftop. Think about it. Let's say you were planning to say remodel your house or get some repairs done on your car, or maybe it was have a minor surgery on an injury on your arm or whatever. How can you know for sure that the person you're buying from is actually competent, reliable, trustworthy, and will do a good job for you? To take this even further, how can you really know that they're superior to everyone else in the market offering exactly the same service? The fact is you don't, and you never ever will unless you go and hire everybody else in the same market, the same service. You're never going to know for sure. Sure, you can get testimonials and you can do a bit of research, but you never know for sure. You have nothing to really go on other than what perhaps a few people might say. And the same is for you in your recruitment search business. That is why actually being the best gives you zero competitive advantage. I know some people are going to disagree with that, but just think about it, especially when you consider that literally every single recruitment search firm owner that I've ever met believes that they offer us a superior service to the rest of the market. I'm yet to meet a recruiter that says, no, my service is vastly inferior. And I've met a lot of recruiters. So they can't all be right. They can't all be the best. But it doesn't matter anyway. Being the best, actually having the best service, getting the best results only counts after you've made the sale. It only counts when they can experience it firsthand how good you really are. And to that point, the recruitment search firm who wins a business is very simply the one who's the best at marketing and selling their services. And that's why your dream clients are buying from bad recruiters instead of you. Even though you know in your heart of hearts you can do a better job. So if you want more business and more money in your bank account, then you're going to have to outmarket your competitors. Quite simply, whoever markets the best gets the most business. There's no other secret. If you would like to discover the secret to marketing so you can have hiring managers coming to you wanting to work with you, then go to www.makemoreplacements.com/apply. So that's 3 W's, makemoreplacements.com/apply, and jump on the call with one of our team. Look forward to speaking to you real soon. Until next time.